Take a look at this Ford truck. 1963 Ford F-100. Custom cab. Short box. Underneath the hood does have 350 Chevy power. That is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Of course, 1963 grill was redone in the Ford F-Series. Let you take a close look at that, and the bumper, headlight surrounds. Say it is a little older paint on this. There are a few imperfections that have been touched up. Here's a kind of little spot, if I can get it to show up there, the white paint. Be a truck you could get in and drive any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. And again, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission. Riding on American Racing chrome wheels. Tri-spinners. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, check out the interior engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. Let you take a look down the passenger side here. So this truck has been modified since it was produced back in 1963. Front end is out of a Camaro. So it's been street rotted a little bit with that 350 underneath the hood. Front end out of a Camaro. Take a look at the interior. That remains somewhat stock. Take a look at the gauge cluster, some aftermarket gauges in there, and then a aftermarket radio also, I believe it was. And here's something you're going to notice a little different too. When I get around to the rear of this, no, you're not going to guess this is a 63. The box has actually been changed to a 64 box. Tonneau cover, and you can see the bed still pictures with the tonneau cover rolled up also at uniqueclassiccars.com. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust. Truck has a nice little rumble to it, and we'll fire it up here at the end of the video, let you get a chance to hear it run. We'll take a peek at the engine bay. If you want to see those still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look down the driver's side of this truck for you. All right, take a little closer peek at the interior. Door panels. Of course, cloth bench seat. You can see tilt column. And again, here's a little different tachometer that would have been added, and a water temperature gauge over there. So little different gauges in there, and then that later model stereo system. Headliner. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run, and we'll check out that engine bay. See how easily it starts. Does not appear that the tach is operating. Fuel gauge looks good. Radio is powered up. A little cold-blooded. Let's let it warm up a little bit here. Slip around to the back seat, hear it run. Door closes nicely. There you go, there's a little rumble coming out of that 350. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front, pause this just 1 second, let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. Again, Chev 350 powered headers, power steering, power brakes, quadrant jet carb on there. heater hose is intact. Nice smooth running engine. So you're looking for kind of a custom street rotted 1963 Ford F-100 custom cab. 64 model year box on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.